I be having the whole kitchen cleaned up and closed up. And this guy still be eating. Eat your food. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, no. It started flying. I thought it... Hey vlog, welcome back to Chastity's Vlogs, and today we're going to be going on a little adventure. Say what's up to the vlog buds.
What's up, vlog?
We're going to be going to Indian Run Falls, and like they have like a little waterfall, like a little trail. So we're going to go do that, and I'm going to catch you guys up when we get there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Okay, so we got to lock up the house.
Got my dice.
Get your tablet because the drive there is long.
Huh?
Get your tablet because the drive there is long. It's right there in the kitchen.
Actually, so I got my dice.
Why are you bringing dice?
That's
But yeah, you guys, today is Sunday and we might go swimming later at the pool too. This morning, get our blood flow going and all that good stuff. Ready? All right,
let me put my face in your hair.
All right, we have made it. We have arrived. Wow, is that your wink, Makai?
Yeah.
Oh, you can wink. How you know how to wink?
I don't know that wink.
Huh?
Everyone knows that wink.
I can wink too, look. Are you ready to go on our adventure?
Yes.
Let's get it together. I got my little pack here. This is my camera bag, but we got grapes in here and stuff.
Look at me, Mama.
And put my keys in here. Can you carry one of the waters, dude?
Yeah, I'll carry my water.
Anyways, this is Indian Run Trail, and it's like a little trail. It goes all the way through the woods or whatever. And there's like a little waterfall on the inside. And this is like located in Dublin, Ohio. It's pretty much like a little 30-minute drive, like driving to Ann Arbor. Oh yeah, you guys aren't from Jackson, Michigan. Like I be assuming that everybody that watches my vlogs know where I'm from.
Mama.
You know how when you're from a certain town and you like measure the distance from another city that's next to it. So yeah, it's like a 30-minute drive. And it's so pretty today. Today's weather is beautiful. What'd you say, buds?
I fucking be her dead.
Oh, you can hear the water already, huh? Oh, those are those one bugs. And then this is the waterfall, y'all.
No.
This is the waterfall. And then you go down, and then it's like a whole trail up and through it, and you can see the waterfall from the other side. Let's go this way. Come on. I had wrote my name. Well, me and Shai had came last summer with Makai, and I wrote my name on one of these little wooden side things. I'm gonna try to find it.
Oh yeah.
We gotta try to find it. Did we go up the stairs last time? Because there's two ways. You go that way or up the stairs.
We went to both actually.
Keep painting.
We went up the stairs.
That's pretty awesome. That's so cool.
Whoa.
I feel like that would be so relaxing to just like paint and listen to the water. All right, we're gonna go this way, dude.
Oh yeah, look at it. It's deep.
I'm trying to get my little walk in for the morning. Ooh, so nice.
Well,
Let's look over the edge.
You go down there.
You'll be hurt.
You're from the water. You get hurt, right?
Yeah, man. You'll be hurt so much.
It's scary, right?
Yeah.
It would be scary to you.
I feel like if you fall down this, buddy, you would like break your leg or something.
Oh yeah. And then you from the water. So the other time, I saw scores before.
Let's look over the edge over here at the water. Go ahead and look. Ooh.
Whoa. And
Whoa.
that's the thing that happens if you fall down here, right?
Yeah. Y'all, them bugs is everywhere.
Oh,
Look at it.
See poison berries.
Them little cicada bugs, they everywhere. I'm scared.
Look, poison berries.
I don't know if I'm gonna last. There's too many bugs over here. Come on. All right.
Oh, you wanna go that way?
Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna last. There's too many of them little cicada bugs flying around. I can't take it.
Oh my god, scary. I'm trying to make it like
Ready? You trying to take a drink of water? Huh?
No, I'm not trying to take the water.
You looking at your watch?
Yeah, but it's not working.
Uh-oh. What happened to it?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just keep going.
Maybe the battery's dead.
Could be. Y'all, these things is flying everywhere. Oh, no bugs.
Look at bugs, right?
So many of them. We're gonna have to go through here. Come on straight back because this is scaring me.
Well, look at them. Well, it's scaring me too.
Not that scary though. We gotta be brave.
Yeah, we'll bring adventures.
Gotta be brave.
So many of these are dead on the floor, right?
Yeah.
Dead on the floor. You know why we came here? Because it's summer. That's why.
Yeah, buddy. Because it's summer and the weather is nice and beautiful. Stay to the right. Oh, to the left. Go ahead. I'm trying to see if I find the name.
It's so cute, right? It's super cute.
Let me see.
Oh, look at those people down there.
Who?
See those people?
Oh, yep. You can see them from up here.
Yeah. And it's so easy. Come on. We're going higher now.
You scared to go on the rock and take a picture?
I did it before.
Huh?
I did it before.
Okay, let's go together. Hold my hand.
Oh, come on.
Okay, and step.
There,
We're just gonna take a picture. Ooh, I got a bug on my face. Sorry.
Okay, come on.
Maybe I just stand up there and you take a picture of me.
Oh, okay. Let me go up there. Oh, can you use my water bottle?
Hold the camera. All right, smile, baby. You know, it's cute. Say what's up to the vlog. He waved. That's it. Wow. Y'all, look at this bug. Makai, come look at this caterpillar. It's gonna become a butterfly one day. Look how cute it is. Do you see it? He's on the edge.
What?
Oh,
shit, what the hell is that behind you?
get it. Where? Oh, fuck, he scared me, bro.
Yeah, you freaked me out too.
Makai got scared too.
You scared me.
So what's that behind y'all?
Okay?
You the worst, babe.
Scared us. Mommy,
I'm trying to be brave and not show that I'm scared of these cicada bugs.
Wait, Mama.
Because if Makai sees that I'm scared, he'll start acting crazy.
I'm brave right now.
You brave right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're always scared.
Yeah, I don't know. I just seen a really big one.
Right? We already... Mama just freaked us out. Right,
He sure did. Freak me out.
Me too. But I'm brave still.
This guy on FaceTime told us, oh, something behind y'all. And then we both we both got scared.
Yeah.
This guy gonna make us scared through the phone. How does that happen?
Yeah.
That was scary. But anyways, we turned around and we're going back the way that we had started. Makai, what happened?
That was scary, right? You freaked me out.
He freaked us both out. We're going back the way we came. I'm still trying to find the spot that me and Shai had wrote our names on. Makai, where are you going? You about to jump off the edge?
No, I'm just going on the cliff.
He said, no, I'm just going on the cliff. Get over here before you fall off that thing. Crazy self. Crazy tail self.
I was trying to fall.
But yeah, we wrote our name like this. But it's like, oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, no. It started flying. I thought it was dead. Oh, that scared me. Why are we running?
Because you just pushed me.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
That's crazy.
That
right?
was so scary, buds. Oh, my gosh.
You broke me out.
Because you was walking too slow, so I had to push you just in case the cicada attacked you. You see what our names up here?
No.
Ooh, y'all. Ain't that crazy? When one person start running, everybody start running.
Yeah.
Must be a black thing.
Yeah.
Don't be scaring me, Makai.
I just saw a bug.
Y'all, I'm not, it's too many of these
Let's get out of here.
I might not be able to find my name because I'm ready to get out of here, buds. I'm kind of scared a little bit. We could go to the water.
Out of here.
Let's go down to the water and see if it's a lot of cicadas down there.
We have to get out.
Because it might not be that many down there.
If they get more, I'm gonna be so happy.
If they can what?
If they get more, I'm gonna be so happy.
If the cicada's not there?
Yeah, and if they give me water, because they would be dead.
Y'all look, it's so many dead ones on the ground.
Wait, I thought those were
No, baby, them is the cicadas. How do you say the name, y'all? Oh, I found our name, y'all.
Can I see?
The C and S for Chastity and Chirome.
I don't see
Aww.
that.
That's where we wrote our names.
Come on.
Forever will I love, remain. Say, dude.
Is there aliens in real life?
I don't think so, dude. You think there's aliens here?
Yeah, in space.
What is that?
No, it's so good. Oh, this is creeping me out.
You creeped out, dude?
No, yeah, but I'm being brave.
You're being
Look all
brave?
those bugs on those things.
You're so cute.
Why is there so many bugs?
He said, but I'm being brave. So cute.
I'm great.
We're closer to the water now, buddy. It's a high school over there. Y'all can't see it.
Wait, keep it me up.
Buddy, you can see it from here.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep moving.
I'm a kid. I'm a little baby.
All right, y'all. We made it down to the water. Back down to the water, and
Down the steps.
we're about to go down the steps.
Oh, finally.
Makai said finally. Hopefully it's less cicadas down here. Come on, baby. I'll go first. You scared?
Come on, Mommy. I'm not scared.
All right, y'all. I think it's less bugs down here. Yep. You think it's less bugs down here, dude? We're underneath the bridge.
Next time we should get go fishing.
He said next time we should go fishing. Look how pretty it is down here.
This one has no waterfalls, right?
What?
This one has no waterfalls, but there's a big waterfall.
Yeah, they're like little small ones. You see them? That man is still down there painting. I wonder what he's painting. It's very relaxing. It's way better down here, y'all, because there's no bugs. It's better down here, y'all. I think the cicadas don't like water. I think that's what it is. Just less.
Okay, so I just...
Why is your chest wet? Are you sweating?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that egg, so Mama.
What, buddy?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Thumbnail.
I got cool trucks. They're driving them in the water. That's so cool. When they get done, we're going to go through that way. Oh, cool. Oh, the blue one is driving on the water. Cool. What? Hold on, how do you got some little trucks down here? The waterfall. What is? Oh, we can't go too far. We can just go to this edge. And that's how far we can go. Wait, you can go over there, right there. Careful, baby. See, it's really got these trucks over here riding around in the water. That's tight, though. You watching them?
See if the water is cold. Touch it with your hand. See if it's cold. Is it real cold? Ugh. All right, that's too far. Oh yeah, it is cold. Feels so good though. It was really good.
There's one right here. here.
Careful, baby. All right, let's go back up here.
Look at it.
Stay right there. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Whoa, what is that? Are those pieces of hair? Oh, do you see those little bugs flying around?
Oh, it's because it's
Tadpoles?
yeah.
I don't think those are tadpoles.
No, that's the plants that swim in water.
What do tadpoles become?
A frog.
Yep.
And I saw a frog at my nana.
You did?
Yeah,
I want to go see what he painting over there. I don't want to be staring, but I want to see what he painting. What, buddy?
Go out.
Watch out, watch out.
Look at that wobbly.
Stay on that one rock. Don't move.
We're actually campers, right? I'm a camper.
A camper?
Yeah, because
If you had water shoes on, you could, but you don't got no water shoes on. Y'all, he done fell in the water.
you should have got water shoes.
Little boy, I just told you we going back up the steps. Don't make me have to beat you out here in this wilderness.
Hey, step on.
The only thing about summertime is these bugs. I can't take it.
It's poopy bugs.
Oh, is that one alive? Ah!
That's a moth.
Makai, I'm scared. All right, let's eat some grapes.
Scared. I just get together. Okay,
All right, grape snack. Time for a snack.
I'm gonna feed you.
What?
Okay, so put your mouth out.
Thanks, buddy.
Okay.
Thanks, dude.
I'm gonna take you a baby. Come on, let's go.
That's the way back to the car. Let's take a break at the car. You want to be done for the day? All right, let me tell the vlog something. So you guys, pretty much where we had stopped walking way back there, it like goes all the way around, and then like it ends up with this like memorial little park, and then it like goes into the city of Dublin. One time me and Shai came and we got lost in this neighborhood, and we had to come all the way back, but me and Makai didn't go that far because there's too many cicada bugs back up in there. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do for the day. We're gonna head back home and see what's popping back at the house. We might go to the pool this afternoon.
Yes.
Wanna go to the pool, dude?
Uh-huh.
Go swim with Noel? Thumbs up, he says. So we might go swimming later on, guys. But definitely like this video, guys. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'm out here sweating for y'all, so you could at least do me that small favor. Got your grapes? Not that fast. I don't know why I put black on him, y'all. He's sweating. Poor thing. Makai, wait for me! And we're back to civilization. Fuck was that? Anyways, we're back in civilization. Let me put the shades down. Whew, that was a fun little walk, but it would have been better if there were less bugs.
Yeah.
Because I felt attacked. I felt very much attacked. Somebody left their shoes.
We have jets.
Yeah, we didn't need them. Whew, how my edges looking? Somebody left their shoes over there, y'all.
It's so hot. We had to get home and go swimming, right?
Yeah, we need to cool down.